Where y'all go? Y'all going to the KFCs too? Or
everybody?
It really does feel like everybody's going to the KFC. Yeah.
Rock your body.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
The destination is on your
It's
right.
very busy, as you can see.
Woo!
Okay, are we ready?
I thought that was someone honking at us to hurry up.
Are you gonna order your own? Or are you gonna like pass it through me and I can order for you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing good. Thanks.
Could I do an order of the vegan chicken nuggets?
Yeah, Nani?
Yes, please.
You want the 6 or the 12?
I'll just do the 6, thank you.
Okay, not the combo, right? Just the nuggets? Is the french fries good for your side or did you want to change it?
I'll do french fries. That's fine.
Okay. Okay, anything else?
Could we also do a side of mac and cheese?
Yeah, you want a small one, right? Or you want a large?
Just a small one, and then a side of mashed potatoes and gravy as well.
Small mac and cheese, small mac and gravy?
And then a side of coleslaw as well.
Okay. Anything else?
Nope, that'll be it.
You know yourself.
All right, thank you.
Why was that the nicest?
He was so nice. That's never happened to me.
Where's my mask?
I know,
So
I
we
feel
don't
bad.
kill this man. Where's my wallet? So we
You're
can
too
pay
nice.
this man.
You're too nice. We have a feast.
This is my dinner.
I know, I didn't need it.
Oh, so we're gonna go through again.
Go through 7 times. All right, thank you, you too.
Thank you.
Secure the bag.
It is done.
Okay, do you want me to park
Oh
somewhere?
yeah, we're gonna eat this. We are not classy people.
We are not. Fine. And this is where they died. I was gonna do a Pam Anderson bun. Like a very messy bun, but I didn't.
I just put a hat on and called it fashion. Hello, friends.
Hello.
Welcome back to whatever this is. Today we're very excited because
We're eating chicken nuggets.
chicken nuggets now.
Sorry to interrupt.
No, we're here at KFC.
Processed American portion sizes. Sign me up. We're brainwashed,
So-
baby. GMOs going through this body.
Running through my veins.
Mm-hmm.
Recently, I think in January was it?
I felt like it was really, probably January.
KFC came out and was like, hey, we're partnering with Beyond whatever and meat.
I think it's Beyond Meat, yeah. They're the ones that make the bleeding burger, right?
It's impossible. Is that the same?
Oh,
Because I don't like Beyond Burgers. I gotta
Oh, but
play
this is
them.
the Beyond Chicken.
Yeah, so
Uh-oh.
we're gonna see. We're
Uh-oh.
gonna see. We're here in this 2010 Ford Escape to
Okay, listen.
try the KFC.
Yeah, listen, not all of us can buy Teslas. Shade.
I don't know who would do that or why.
Oh my god. I'm so excited!
Okay.
I'm so hungry.
Too many clothes on this.
Okay.
Hold the baby. Who dressed me?
Yourself.
That was gonna be. The baby.
Look at that man. Look at him smile. Yes. Greedy capitalism, corporate America, yes.
I have been a vegetarian my entire existence.
So you live off the side.
So I live off of sides. You just go, like, I've gone to KFC and I've only had the sides, which is why I'm excited about this, because I'm gonna finally, for the first time in my existence, have the chicken.
The chicken from KFC.
I've never had the KFC chicken, so we got a side of mac. I'm very excited about this.
I know, their mac slaps, low-key. I remember
Okay.
having it as a child and it was pretty freaking good.
I haven't had this
The
in
mashed
years.
potatoes and gravy also kind of slaps.
Okay, I thought you were gonna say are okay.
No,
and I was
no,
gonna
it's
kick you
good.
out of your own Ford Explorer. It reminds me of like cafeteria mashed potatoes, and I love them.
Yep. Oh my god, yes, 1000%. Also, the mac reminds me of that too, and I like it. I hate to
We
say
are
it.
Midwest trash.
We are two Midwest macaroni and cheese potatoes bitches. Yeah.
So I don't think I've ever had the coleslaw.
I don't like coleslaw.
You don't like just mayonnaise? Did get the KFC sauce. So
There's also a side of fries.
I need to tuck this into here. I'm gonna do a couple layers is what I'm thinking. And I am Ready for action.
Good job, honey. You ready for you want food? You want a snack?
It smells delicious.
This smells good.
I think it also is directly from this, but also it just kind of smells like fried.
Yeah, it doesn't really have a specific. It doesn't have like a chicken scent. It's just like fried food. It smells good.
I didn't expect them to be square.
They are rather square and shapely.
Camera, we did not spend all this money for you to focus on our faces. Thank you. They are very
Feature the nails, feature the nugs.
Yeah.
Nugs and nails.
Nugs and nails. Welcome
Yeah.
to our channel, Nugs and
Nugs
Nails.
and nails. Texture, squishy. Oh my god. Not ASMR.
Cheers. Pinky out. Cheers.
Yes.
I think it's good.
It is very good. It just tastes like classic chicken nug.
The sauce.
The sauce tastes like Chick-fil-A sauce. You ever had Chick-fil-A sauce?
I never had anything from Chick-fil-A.
Oh, soup.
They are anti-gay, so I never went there.
Yeah. I know.
And she has Chick-fil-A dripping from her pores.
You know what? Just because they would hate crime me doesn't mean that chicken ain't good, okay?
You do whatever you want.
No, I shouldn't go.
Okay, here's the thing. The sauce is really good.
I really feel like it's not a big deal. Like, why are people freaking out?
They should be freaking out because it's tasty.
They should be freaking out.
And now we have an excuse to go to KFC as a vegetarian.
Yeah, they should be freaking out because people don't have universal health care. Oh wait, the
Oh, I
spork
think-
was here. I had the spork. Where did she go? Are we gonna have to eat this with our hands? I'm gonna be so sad.
Just shoveling it
With our nails. Our nails. Oh, there's two! He knew!
He was like, there's no way that little lady's in the back seat, you know that?
In the
Little
back.
baby, you know?
Noah's back there. That looks like elementary school mac. And I know it's so good. I know it's gonna taste just like elementary school.
I love when a macaroni has no texture.
When it's just mush.
Like when you could just gum it.
That is cafeteria mac and cheese, bitch. That's
That is
delish.
spice level -4.
The breading is like, it looks better than like a traditional nug, I feel like. Like their normal chicken kind of has this weird greasy like layer on it, and the skin's like a layer. It's not like a breaded crunchy thing, and that's kind of what this is. This is, I would say, better than the normal chicken. We just don't ever go to class. We just eat. We're like, oh, sorry. What? We would never do that. Also,
They're salty. I'm going in for round 2.
I feel like you could enter a competition of sorts.
Look.
But that you just don't think this math.
You don't look this good by not counterbalancing your macaroni and Kentucky Fried Chicken. With
Or
that.
anytime we get Taco Bell, you gotta
That's
drink
what
some water,
I was
girl.
gonna say is that if this, our class starts in 10 minutes. Where did my fork go? You want me to feed you macaroni and cheese on the drive?
That makes you very romantic.
You wanna try the coleslaw?
God, yeah. I'll do it. For the viewers.
Like the video. He's eating coleslaw.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see me eat this coleslaw. I should start an OnlyFans. Just eating foods I
Eating
hate.
mayonnaise.
Eating foods I hate.
Did you not like it?
I hate it.
Really?
But it's nothing against KFC. Once again, hey KFC if you're listening. Please, sponsor us.
Here's our final
That's
summary.
delicious. Oh, it's so salty and so good. Coleslaw kind of tastes like the inside of that, like a pumpkin smells.
Give it back to me because I like it.
That's what it tasted like. I still can't get over how nice the drive-thru guy was.
He was so, okay.
Shout out
service.
to the man at the KFC.
Is his name on the receipt?
Oh, I can only hope.
We still have fries. Oh my god.
Where's the bag?
Thank you, sir.
Well, whoever you were very tall, nice, handsome
Okay, here,
man.
here's your brush.
Very handsome young man.
Service, impeccable.
Flavor?
Sides, amazing.
Amazing. Nuggets?
Good.
Great.
No, that's what I mean. I feel like it's nice to have an option that when all of your friends are drunk and they want to go to KFC, I need more water because I'm choking. At least you can come if you don't eat meat. Not that you couldn't before because of the
Well,
size.
but like, think about it though. The only like drive-through place that I can think of is like
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell or like Burger King has Impossible, but like, that's it.
I do love a Burger King. And I love a Taco Bell.
And now,
I love a
I
KFC.
love the KFC.
Yeah, how do I take it for less than it is? Tore down the walls, try my best to let you in. Yeah, how was I supposed to know what you had? What you had? Yeah, no.